another day at the fidget hotel. This is the worst. All I have is these boring acupuncture rings. Like, they're also all worn out, but they're stretchy. And look how pretty they are. And like, no one wants to trade me. Like, these are so good, and they're legendary, but everyone thinks they're so bad. So I guess I'm bored. So yeah, but I've never even felt a puppet, and I really want one, like so badly. These little things are so boring. These are like my only fidgets. I've never even touched the puppet. But today I might go for a little fidget hunt. Or no, not a fidget hunt. I don't even know if a fidget hunt's for today. But if there is, I never find anything. So I better go look. I think I'm gonna go fidget trading first. So and see if anyone wants to trade today with my basket. Let's go. Wow, it's so cold outside. Let me go out. Oof, let me close the door. There we go. And let me see if there's anything. I bet no one's going to want to trade for these. Oh, it's so cold outside. Oh, these plants are kind of cute. Anyway. Oh, guys, do you have any feedback for me? What should I do to get more fidgets? Fidgets I made. I don't know why my parents even sent me here. I'm horrible at this. Oh. Ah, it's so windy. Look at the tree shaking. Oh my gosh, guys. That girl has my dream puppet. Excuse me, miss. Do you want to trade?
Yes, what's your problem?
I got these acupuncture rings.
They're horrible.
They are legendary. And look, they're
Let
so
me
pretty.
feel.
Can I feel
don't
this?
even fit on
Guys.
my thumb.
Oh my god.
Get on!
Hey, give me back my fidgets.
I'll scare you the next time you trade me.
Oh, let me get my
I
things.
mean, they're pretty, but I don't like them.
Oh,
Don't fit on
let
my
me
thumb.
see if there's anyone else nicer than you. Oh, let me go. Well, that girl was so rude. Let's go over here. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so windy. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that girl. She got two really cute puppets. Oh my god, what is she doing? Excuse me, do you want to trade? I got these acupuncture rings.
I'm sorry, I don't want to trade for them. But they're pretty cute. Maybe the next time I come to I'll do it. Anyway.
Thank you. Well, I guess let me go. Give me my fidgets back. Don't scare me.
I'm not. Well, it was lovely meeting you, but not so.
Oh, let me keep my things here. I think I might go on a fidget hunt. Okay. Because the fidget hunt, I heard an announcement earlier, so
Wait.
let me go.
Wait a minute.
Oh, yes?
I heard you were speaking about a fidget hunt.
Yeah?
You're holding it all around this park.
Oh my gosh, it's right here. I didn't even need to look anywhere. Jeez, let me start looking. I think I might start over here. Oh, the Eddie fidget. Ah, I got electrocuted by this little plant. Oh my god. Is there anything over here? Nah, let me keep looking. Huh. Nah, guys, do you see anything? I don't. Oh my gosh, guys. The first fidget, look at this potty. Oh my god. I think this one's pink. It's flat potty. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to fill this. Let me go put it in my basket. Yay! My first different fidget. I'm totally gonna play with that. Okay, so I think I might keep looking over here because I've had pretty good luck so far. Anything in the plants? Guys! What fidget is this? I've never seen this fidget before. It's like a puppet spinner thingy. I think it's like a dimple spinner. Oh my god. This feels so good. Jeez. Lex, listen. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. And Lex, watch it spin. Wow, look how pretty it looks when it spins. Anyway, let's keep looking. Let me quickly put it in my basket.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I'm sorry, but you'll need to carry your basket
Oh.
around everywhere you go in case people steal. Now take this with you too, miss.
I can't.
Well, don't get on your head. Oh, let me just
Let me keep looking. Is there anything else? Oh my gosh, guys, it's so windy. Let me keep looking down here. I don't Is there anything here? Oh my gosh, guys! Is that a fidget spinner? Oh my god, look how pretty that green is. It totally blends in. Wow, this is so good. And it doesn't have any metal. I've never seen a fidget spinner like this. Yes, I'm so rich already. Let me keep looking. Anything in that big pool? Nope. I don't see anything. Oh. Oh my gosh, guys, that was right in front of me. Oh my god, look at this. It's like pink slime with these pretty beads in it. Oh my god. Totally getting this. We'll put it in. Oh my gosh, guys, look how all these cool fidgets so far. Look at all these. Oh my gosh, guys. This literally fell. Look how cool this is. More flat potty, and it's scented. Oh my god. It's orange flavor, I think, because it's orange, I guess. Let's go. Anything, guys? I'm gonna look over here, but guys, I totally missed that. Look at this. It's like this really cool fidget thing. I think everyone's gonna want to trade for this. Anyway, it's so cool. Let me put it in. I'm totally gonna get a lot of trades. Anyway, let's look over here now. Guys, what is this? I've never seen this before. It's like, what is it? What does it say? It says fluffy sit. Oh my gosh, guys, look how pretty it is. And it's pink. Oh, jeez, it's big though. Everyone's gonna want to trade for that. Okay, let me keep looking. Anything down here? I don't see anything, I mean. Guys, what is that? Oh, let me put this down. I can't carry it everywhere. Look at this. It's like a snappy, clicky thingy. Maybe it's a snap and click. And look at this. You can change this. It feels so good. Let me take it off the tree. Oh, nearly got it. Nearly got it off. Nearly. Here we go. I got it, guys. Look how pretty it is. It shimmers in the sun. Wow, this is so cool. And anyway, let me keep looking. Guys, do I see a puppet? And what else is here? Oh my gosh, guys, look at this slime. It's Elmer's blueberry cloud, and it's scented. More scented slime. This is so good. I love slime so much. I've never had it before. I'm so excited to feel it. What else is here? Oh my gosh, it's like an Elmer's glue cosmic shimmer slime. Oh guys, look how pretty it is. This will shimmer so nicely in the sun. I'll show you guys later. Oh my god, everyone's gonna want to trade me. Oh my god, the lid off my slime's coming off. It's so windy, guys. Look at the tree's shade. Jesus. Oh guys, look what I found. Oh my god, it's a unicorn puppet. Listen to how good that is. Now, I think that was about to. Let's try the good side now. Oh my god. That feels so good. And it's a unicorn. My favorite mythical animal. Let's definitely put this in here. Now, what else is there? I think I have it over here, so there might be something. Guys, do I see a mesh ball? I see a mesh ball. What? And it's with a pen? Oh my god, it feels so good. Everyone loves these. Look how nice, guys. This is like legendary. I'm gonna get so many good trades for this. So good. Let me put it in. Now I'm even richer than all those other girls. So I'm gonna be so jealous. So heavy. I didn't know fidgets were this heavy. Guys, I think I found this with toy. Is it a squishy? It kind of looks like one. I dropped it in the dirt. Ew. But, oh my gosh, it's a squishy. Look, the two cats on top of each other. This is so cool. Oh my god, guys. Look how nice this squishes. I totally love this cat thing. And I love cats. So that's really good. And the purple cats. Well, like a bluey purple. I don't know. Well, anyway. Oh, jeez. It keeps falling out. That's how full it is. Stay. I think I'm going to put this down for now in my little cabin thingy. I don't know. It's just too heavy. I'll get the rest with my hands. Okay, guys. Can you see anything? I surely can't. Guys, are you kidding me? There's a rainbow puppet. This is my dream fidget. Well, I guess I'm going to try and trade that other puppet too. And I'm going to be like puppet rich. Oh my god, let's listen to this. I just can't wait. Oh my god, it sounds so good. Oh, the purple and green is so pretty. Oh, dogs. Let me put this in my thing. There we go. So good. Now what else is there?
Gee!
Oh my gosh, guys.
Mine?
No, that is mine. Give
I
it
got
back.
it first!
Give it back. I saw it.
Me first! Oh, fine, you have it, but you gotta fetch it.
Not my dogs. See, I really like dogs, but don't tell her. Anyway, let's keep looking. I don't see anything else, guys. I don't see anything else. I think I'm gonna keep looking. Guys, look at that. I think that's slime. More slime. Yes. Ugh, I totally missed it. Totally missed it. And I better check up to here. There might be some fidgets. Guys, look at this. It's a simple dimple. Oh my god, this is so good. Yeah, I got a simple dimple. Everyone loves simple dimples and slime, so that's really good. Hey guys, I think that's all I'm gonna get. I'm pretty rich. I nearly got every single type of fidget. So I think I'm gonna go trade again. Trade. Look at all these bad boys. Come on, let's go. So heavy. Ugh, put it in. Sorry guys, I gotta carry you on top. I'm gonna go trade that girl. Excuse me, miss. I'm here to trade. Let me get my fidget trading thing. I'm not poor. Don't even think of stealing them. Come on, let's go over here and trade. Oh, guys, wait. Everyone keeps. Guys. Oh my gosh, that's mine. That's mine. I'll give it back. Give it. Look at this Among Us puppet. This is so good. And it's rainbow. Oh, so much better than that rainbow. Oh, let me go trade.
What do you want? I'm sure you want some other time.
Here's a trading board. Let's go over here. It's not as windy. Get my fidgets, please.
I'm stealing that.
No, give them back.
Fire!
Oh.
Well, I gotta sit on the royalty.
I don't really care. It's just a stupid chair. Now, can I trade? I sure. What the heck? Oh my god, guys. Okay, what should I trade her?
That.
I think I'm gonna trade her this slime. Trade this slime. This thingy. We wanted it before. And I'm gonna trade her. No, that's shitty.
This is a horrible trade.
This.
Give me a puppet.
No.
Declining
This,
you.
okay, fine, I'll give you a puppet. Oh, guys, I love all my puppets. I think I might give away I really like this unicorn and the rainbow puppet. So I'm gonna trade. I'll give you this rainbow Among Us puppet. That's it.
No, and one more thing.
Fine, I'll add this.
One
Guys,
more thing, just mini.
guys, let me-
Like that snap with click, I really like it.
Okay, wait, you guys, let's just ASMR. Try it one more time, guys. Oh, bye Among Us puppet, I really like you. And fine, I'll add the snap and click. Where is it? Oh, found it.
I really like it, so give it
Fine,
to me.
accept.
Accept.
Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, I got it. Let's do some ASMR. Try the good side now. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh my god, this is such a good trade. Okay, now I'm going. Thank you. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't believe I got all these fidgets. This was so good. I'm so happy I got these. I especially really like this fidget though. Well, guys, thank you so much for coming along with me. Make sure Oh, guys, I forgot. We first have to also trade that other girl because I saw she had some really nice puppets, and I wanted to see if she wants to trade me now. Okay, guys, let's go. I gotta carry you on top though, so enjoy the ride. Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh, she's looking at the sun. It's so sunny. Okay, guys, what now? Can we trade? Let me get my fidget trading thing from my deck. Hey, I'm now richer than you, so do you want to trade? Get down. That's mine.
We lost this.
That's mine.
I'm not giving it back until you say it's mine. Can I please have it
It's
back?
mine. Can I please have it back? Now, do you want to trade? Can I trade for your mini puppet? Both of your puppets. Let me see. I'll add this really nice puppy set. Oh my gosh, guys! So windy. Gosh. I'll trade you that, and
But if I trade you this, it's super good.
Okay, fine. And I'll also add this. Oh, I don't want to trade the flop. I'll also trade you this acupuncture ring, not my puppet, and this simple dimple. Where is it? Look how good it is. Deal. Add your other puppet, and I'll accept.
Oh my gosh, that's worse. Can you please add one thing else?
Oh.
Like that mashball pad.
No, I love it. Okay, fine. I'll add this boring. Well, the best side of it. This is legendary. Now accept.
I'm not feeling in the mood to trade today. And these are really good puppets.
No, accept.
I really like this putty.
Fine, I'll add that potty, and that's it. Accept. Accept.
I'm gonna try Simple Dimple.
Look, guys, look how nice this is.
It's really nice.
Shush! Miss, I don't want to hear it. Guys, oh my god, look how nice this is. And look at this puppet. Let's try it. Oh my god, it's so good. Guys, I'm gonna now go inside. Well, guys, thank you so much for coming along with me. Now I got all these cool fidgets. Thank you so much. Well, guys, make sure to subscribe and give us a like. So thank you so much, guys. Bye!